Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start a game with friends on Monopoly Go. So as you can see, I'm in Monopoly Go right now, and if I want to start a game with my friends, I need to go to this friends icon in the right down of my screen. So tap on that, and here you can see your friends. So you can add friends through your contacts. So you can tap on this contacts icon. And you get a little reward for that if you let Monopoly Go gain access to your contacts, and also you can connect your Facebook account, so you also get a little reward for that. And you can invite people. So when you tap on this invite icon next to the Facebook icon, tap on that, and as you can see, you can invite friends, and they get rewards when they join. So when you send them an invite through your link and they join and you play a game together, they get a reward and you get a reward as well. So when you tap on this invite icon, you can copy the link, you can send it to your friends, and you can play a game together. So which is really, really nice. So also when you invited 10 friends, you get a nice little surprise, little gift from Monopoly Go. So I hope this video is helpful. It's actually really easy to play with friends. Just go to friends, invite, tap on the invite button, and invite friends. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.